Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork ribs in a pressure cooker. This method is fantastic for achieving fall-off-the-bone tenderness in a fraction of the usual time. We will start by preparing our ribs, which involves removing the membrane from the back of each rack. Then, we will apply a delicious dry rub, ensuring every inch is covered for maximum flavor. This initial preparation sets the stage for truly amazing ribs. Now, let's get those ribs cooking. Pour about 1 cup of your chosen liquid, such as apple juice or chicken broth, into the bottom of your pressure cooker. This creates the steam needed for tenderizing. Carefully place the seasoned ribs on a trivet inside the pot, ensuring they are not submerged. Set your pressure cooker to high pressure and cook for 25 minutes, followed by a 10-minute natural pressure release. Once the pressure has naturally released, carefully take out your incredibly tender ribs. They will be soft, so handle them gently. Now it's time for the magic of the sauce. Liberally brush your favorite barbecue sauce over every part of the ribs. To achieve that perfect sticky, caramelized finish, place them under a hot broiler or on a grill for about 5 to 10 minutes, watching closely to prevent burning. After their final finish, let your delicious ribs rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period helps the juices redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness. Then, using a sharp knife, slice them between the bones into individual or two-bone portions. These pressure-cooked ribs will be incredibly tender and flavorful, ready to be enjoyed with your favorite sides. Get ready for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.